Good morning, my internet friends. Today is Saturday and I am just going to do a thorough cleaning for my channel because I haven't done one of those in a while. But I just need to clean my house thoroughly. Well, some areas only need dusting or just a little bit of cleaning, and some areas need deep cleaning. So don't get me wrong when I say I'm going to clean the whole entire house and then you just see me wiping away or something like that. We all have different styles of cleaning and different parts of our house that need different types of cleaning, so please don't judge. I clean my way and that is the way that I like to clean. So right now I am just going to get started right here in the living room. I already cleaned most of it. I redecorated a little bit of my coffee table. I can't see because it's blurred out. But right now I'm going to clean the, what is it called? The bathroom. So let's get started. So this is the before. As you guys can see, the toilet needs to be cleaned, the trash needs to be taken out, and the toilet paper and the sink needs to be cleaned, and these towels need to be put on its place. So it's not a lot, but, and then the closet is a little bit unorganized, as you guys can see. So let's get to organizing and cleaning this bathroom. So I have been asked several times to show you guys what I use to clean. In the past I used to tell you all the time, but now I just get into the cleaning routine without telling you guys what I use. So right now I'm getting ready to clean the bathroom. So let me show you guys what 3 items I use to clean the bathroom. These are the 3 items that I use to clean my bathroom. I use this Mr. Clean just because it has antibacterial properties. This is to clean my toilet. I use a Spick and Spam Everyday Antibacterial, again because it has antibacterial, and I clean countertops and sinks with this. And this, of course, is just the ammonia-free glass cleaner. I haven't found another one that I like more than this, but this will do for all the glass and all of the mirrors. the finished product right here. My toilet is nice and clean. My closet over here is nice and clean as well. And in the sink, I just like to have a hand soap and a Cetaphil in case I want to wash my face. And it's nice and clean as well. So there you have it. My bathroom is completely clean. Now let's move on to the next section. The next section, and as you guys can see, it's pretty clean already. Just have a couch and this, and my hat hanger, and two little coat hangers right here. So I'm just going to move on to my kitchen, because my living room, as you guys can see, my family room actually, this is my family room and it is pretty clean. So I am just going to move on to my kitchen right here. Okay, so for my glass table over there, what I like to do is clean it with Spick and Scum antibacterial first to disinfect it, and then I'll go in with the glass cleaner. So I do a two-step just so that I can disinfect and clean it at the same time. So I'm just taking a little break, and we went to go get some food. See, we went to Santiago's and Taco Bell for the kids, and I also got a coffee from the gas station. I got this for my food. It's a bean and cheese smothered burrito. I'm going to dig in, and then I'll see you guys a little later, and I'll keep cleaning. And that's right. So as you guys can see, the table is now clean and everything in the counters is put away. I do have a few dishes, but it's not enough to put them in the dishwasher yet, so we're gonna leave them there for tonight. Okay guys, so as you guys can see, it's nice and clean. Let me show you guys the overall look. This is the living room. And then my kitchen right here. And let me show you guys. This is what I use to keep my house smelling very nice. So it is these wax candles. Now I don't know if you have noticed, but I have them all over the house. And every time I clean, I put new ones in there. So right now I have one right here, as you guys can see. And I just pop it in there. And this is the other side. This is my my other living room, and I already hang those candle holders up. They are camouflaged with the wall, but once I paint, I hope they look a little better, or you can see them a little better. This is it. As you can see right here, I have another one of those candles. I'm just gonna pop one in. And here is my dining. Hubby was working on invoices for his company, so I left that there. This is how it looks with the lights out. I have that little jar, and then the candle over here makes it light up very nicely. Well guys, I am done cleaning the first floor of my house. Sorry if you hear noises, hubby's in the garage working. I am done cleaning the first floor of my house, and I'm gonna leave it at that because that is a good video right there. I will be cleaning the upstairs next, and then I will put it in a separate video because that takes a lot of footage as well. I think it takes more footage to do the upstairs because I have more rooms upstairs. So that would be it for this video. Thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed this cleaning video. A lot of you guys have been asking me for more cleaning videos, so here it is. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more cleaning videos and for more vlogs. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.